guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just did this orange cut crease. I also got my nails filled today. They're really pretty. I wanted them to match my backdrop a little bit more, but they're way more pink. Okay, I cannot do this anymore. I have dealt with my hair this whole tutorial and now it's going up because I just can't. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Please, that helps so much. Don't forget to check out my social links down below and check out my video before this, which will be linked at the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you want to see how I got this reddish orangey cut crease, then just stay tuned. Alright, so I've got my brows on. I feel like they're not popping today, but sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. My hair is not cute today, like it's so bad. But we're just gonna ignore that. We're going to do a fun makeup tutorial. I don't know what we're doing yet. We're just doing it. Like, I want to play with this so badly. I think I'm gonna keep this out just for like 2 colors because I can trust like 2 colors in there, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my lid with Dawn right here. It is a little weensy bit dark. It's definitely a good all over the lid shade for medium skin tones, but for me it definitely has some color to it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush, Roxy right there. Just a really pretty peach shade. This is one of the shades in the palette that I can actually trust. Now look how pigmented that is though. Like, that was one dab into that. Like, one dab, that's all you need. So if you didn't know, this is the Subculture palette. I don't like it. It's very powdery. There's only a few shades that I can actually work with. The dark shades, like the purple, is so hard to work with. You literally can't blend it out. And when you do blend it out, it just becomes muddy. Like, it's not the color anymore. I feel like that's with a lot of shades in this palette. They just become muddy. I'm trying to bring out old palettes in my drawers and start using them because I really should. I really want to dig into more of these shades, but I'm honestly scared. I haven't tried them in so long. I'm just gonna keep digging into Roxy one more time to amp up that shade just a little bit more. I'm gonna go into the Morphe 35 palette. Alright, I'm going to take a mixture of this orange and that orange and this orange and a more detailed brush, and just, we're going to cut my crease. Use my lightest concealer that I have, and I'm just going to take a small detailed brush like this, and you guys can just watch what I do because I'm not going to talk this whole time. I kind of start at the out end first. And literally just work my way in, just like that. Fill it in. If you can hear someone talking, it's my roommate. He's playing his video games. I'm just gonna take the orange and go in here. Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm gonna take Marshmallow, and that is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna spray it first, and then I'm gonna use that to apply onto my lid because I think this is gonna look stunning together. And I was right. I'm always right. So pretty. Okay, so that's what this looks like. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Move on to the most exciting part, which is lashes, which I'm really excited to see how I think about them because these are the exact lashes that I used to be obsessed with. But I feel like when I saw them in the store, I was like, holy cow, those are huge. How did I used to wear them? These are the Kiss Gala lashes. So, like, super pretty. I honestly have not put on fake lashes in so long. This feels so weird. Okay, so I'm gonna cut them right about there. Smack on some lash glue. Let them get tacky. Let them get tacky. Don't just put them on because then you're just gonna ruin it and it's not even gonna work. Okay, so that's probably good. I'm gonna just place it right here. Oh my gosh, after all this time doing makeup and not applying a fresh pair of lashes and just dealing with my lash extensions, like, you want to go ahead and tell me that one eye doesn't look better than the other. Obviously they're not done, but like, this makes the biggest difference. Applying a little bit of mascara right here. I am going to do the lower lashes. I'm going to do purple underneath. I'm going to use this royal color and this amethyst color. I'm going to take first a little bit of blazing from this palette and just run it underneath. So it has the orange base. We're going to go in with royal. This is going to be really pretty. Just pack that on. I'm going to go ahead and do my base and then we will be back. Alright, so today I'm going to be using the cream contour stick because, I don't know, I was just really feeling it. This is by NYX. And I just do a little bit at a time because I feel like this stuff dries pretty quickly. I'm going to take a little bit more of concealer and plop it right there. Yeah, this is by NYX. It's in the shade Caramel. Now, I don't cream contour much. Oh, I don't really contour to begin with. I do like cream contouring because it looks way more natural for one. And for two, I feel like if you have the right one, it can blend so flawlessly. And three, if you're going for more of a natural look and not as caked on, this is the way to go. I literally just do scribbles. Don't mind me over here. Honestly, I don't know why I don't cream contour more often. Just because my skin looks so much better with this on. And it's fun to do. And I don't know, man. I just feel like with my dry skin, it's a way better idea. I am just going to use the Coty Airspun powder and just swirl a little bit and just powder over. And I just do a light powdering because I don't want much. I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer. I really don't need a lot. Just going to do a little bit of it. The best part, we're going to go in with the Amrezy highlighter. Spray my face. Oh yeah. And highlight. Alright, we're going to do lower lash mascara. First, just going to take the brush with all the orange on it and just blend that out, and then lower lash mascara. I'm just going to take the glow kit, the sugar glow kit. I'm going to take Marshmallow again, and we're just going to use that to highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss in Vintage. I think this is a really pretty gloss. Okay guys, that is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you like the lashes because I'm really excited to get back into lashes, and I feel like makeup looks look so much better when you just finish it off with a beautiful lash. Like, it's just perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.